See, guys, Yamal is a baller. The guy is talented footballer. I was not believing the guy. But today, Yamal earned my respect. One thing I like about this guy, he is not just dribbling for dribbling sake. No. He is dribbling on purpose. He is dribbling and know where and when to release the ball. No. He is not trying to humiliate his marker or his opponent. He is trying to create that chance and cross the ball and give direct pass and release the ball on time. This is why we keep on crying on Madueke. He can dribble. Sancho and Co, they can dribble. But when to release the ball, that is their problem. And this young Yamal guy, Chale, the guy is good. But from playoff, group stage, round of 16, quarter final to semi final, and they boot you out. Conference League, Chelsea. In fact, our player is more than one of our players' market value is more than the whole Conference League. And semi final, they booted us out. Sweden club, Djurgarden, booting Manchester out. No, it can't happen. So we can't underrate this game. We can't say it is Conference League. We must come out all out. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, this is the preview of Djurgarden. Is it Djurgarden? Sweden club, guys. This is the preview of Djurgarden and Chelsea game. Yes, UEFA Conference League semi-final to play in Sweden. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you my analysis and my starting 11 and my score prediction for this game. So please watch this video till the end. By the way, guys, let's talk about this Champions League game. Inter Milan Barcelona or Barcelona Inter Milan. 3-3. 6 goals thriller. I can't believe this. Guys, I watching Champions League this season. I am beginning to panic. I am beginning to feel the pressure as a Chelsea fan. Yes, I want my Chelsea to qualify for Champions League next season. And if my Chelsea qualify, can we play, guys? Can we play? Look at the tactical approaches. Look at how the goals are coming. Look at this level of the Champions League. The teams are making good use of set pieces. In fact, so far this game, 2 set pieces from Inter Milan. The last game, Arsenal, Real Madrid. 2 set pieces from Arsenal. Our Chelsea, my Chelsea. Do we know the last time we scored from a set piece? I am beginning to scare. Let's come to the game itself. In fact, 3-3, guys. I am disappointed on Inter Milan. I am disgraced. Inter Milan disgraced me completely. How on earth, guys? 2 goals up. And at the end, you let Barcelona equalize all the 2 goals. To some extent, they came back, you score, they came back. How on earth? Champions League semi-final. You are lucky to be leading the opponent 2 goals. You are letting them coming back into the game. No, I'm disappointed. No. This game, I was in full support of Inter Milan. As a Chelsea fan, I will never wish Barcelona good luck. No. Especially at this stage of the Champions League. When they win, they are going to the final. No, it can't happen. 2-0 up. Inter Milan, where are you looking? See, they gave the ball to Barcelona to be dominating them, in which they sat back in their 18 years defending. They gave the midfield to Barcelona. They gave the wings to Barcelona. How? Nobody is saying that you should not defend, but press them. Don't allow Barcelona to function. These guys, they are good with the ball. Barcelona with the ball, they are creative. Super good. They have the possession. In fact, they can create chances. They can convert their chances. They can score the goals. So I don't understand why Inter Milan gave the ball to Barcelona to be playing while they were there in their 18-year box. Even you defending, why are you conceding? For me, I know defending to be that to avoid conceding. That is maybe the definition of defending, to avoid conceding. But yet you were defending, still you were conceding. Still they were equalizing your goals. Guys, I don't understand. Inter Milan disappointed me in this game. For me, as I said, I was supporting Inter. And immediately Inter went 2-0 up. I was celebrating. I said it is done and dusted. Barcelona can never come back. Not knowing that it is not only Chelsea who do come back this season against Fulham. Barcelona said that, okay, we can also do the comeback. They try. And let's come to Barcelona. In fact, guys, you see this Barcelona team. As a Chelsea fan, it gives me the hope and the belief that this our team, we can compete. This our young team. If Enzo Maresca stand up and bring that winning mentality and tell the guys that you can do it and bring the right tactics, start the right players, we can compete. Looking at this Barcelona young squad and our young squad, I can't spot the difference. For me, I can't see the difference. We can compete, but just that we have different managers. Yes, Barcelona manager is well-established manager, experienced manager. But Maresca, his first season in the Premier League, his first season in the top flight league. So that is my issue here. Different managerial rules or different managers. So this Chelsea team, we can compete. And this Barcelona team, I like the way they are playing, guys. See, they are calm on the ball. And Barcelona is the definition of possession means progression. Yes, see, they were playing possession whilst also adding that short, long balls. Look at the passes from Yamal. See, guys, Yamal is a baller. The guy is talented footballer. I was not believing the guy. But today, Yamal earned my respect. One thing I like about this guy, he is not just dribbling for dribbling sake. No. He is dribbling on purpose. He is dribbling and know where and when to release the ball. No. He's not trying to humiliate his marker or his opponent. He is trying to create that chance and cross the ball and give direct pass and release the ball on time. This is why we keep on crying on Madueke. He can dribble. Sancho and Co, they can dribble. But when to release the ball, that is their problem. And this young Yamal guy, Chale, the guy is good. See, he is a good footballer. He is a baller. No doubt, no argument. As I said, he knows when to release the ball. If he dribble 1-2, he pass the ball. Dribble 1-2, he pass the ball. That is football. That is football. See, you can't dribble everybody and go and score. No. Just dribble and create the space and release the ball. Be free. That is what Yamal was doing in this game. And look at the goal that he scored. See, that kind of placing, if average player is going to play it, he had to bend. He had to bend and play the ball. But go and watch it. Yamal was on the ball. He was standing on the ball and placed the ball. Charlie, put the ball at the back of the net. This is what we have been talking about. Quality players. See, as a quality player, good player, elite player, you don't need so many chances to score. This is highest level football. This is supreme. You getting the first chance doesn't mean that you are getting the second chance. So immediately you get your first chance, bury it. See, Yamal is a baller. And as I said, this Barcelona team, their passes, their crosses into the opponent box was on point, everything. See, and this is not just because of their young players, Kubase and Co, Yamal and Co. No. Their manager, experienced manager. Last season, this Barcelona team, we saw them. Previous season, we saw them. Yes, they were suffering like us. So immediately experienced coach came and yes, he sparked them. Last season, the same Barcelona Xavi was managing. I'm telling you, everybody was saying that this Barcelona team, they are young, inexperienced, they are not good, they can't do it. But immediately experienced manager grabbed them. He turned them to warriors. I'm telling you, this is why we keep on telling our owners, go and bring those who knows it. Yes, we have managers and managers and managers. Managers, they know it more than each other. You can't go and bring your inexperienced manager and expect them to play like experienced manager Ancelotti or Mourinho or no. It will take time. And big teams, we don't know take time. No. So guys, see, I enjoyed the Champions League this season. As a Chelsea fan, I'm hoping that next season Chelsea also qualify so that we'll go and see. We'll go and see something. And even if Chelsea qualify, it will give our owners the pressure maybe to then balance the squad. Because we saw it. You can't do it without a balanced squad. Even this Barcelona team we are talking, still they have experienced players among them. So still, Chelsea, we need to balance the squad, the defense, the midfield, and the striking position. Yes. So guys, let's come to our game, our conference league. You see, after watching marvelous 2 semi-finals in the UEFA Champions League, Chelsea, my Chelsea, our Chelsea. Yes. Champions League winning Chelsea. I have to go and watch Conference League game. Never and ever in the history of Chelsea. Chelsea go and play this game. Yes. So guys, let's come to this game. But guys, just to remind you that Chelsea new sponsors. Yes, Denmark. Tomorrow, our game against Djurgarden. They will wear the shirt with the shirt sponsors. Denmark. As you are watching on the screen, that is the jersey and that is our new shirt sponsors. I explain it better yes, in a different video. That video is on top of, yes, this video. Please click to enjoy it and know, yes, our sponsors, our new sponsors, Denmark, and how long they will work with Chelsea, how long the contract will be. Yes, that video is up, and at the end of this video, so I will leave it there. So please, after this video, you can watch it, or you can go and watch it and then come back and enjoy this video. Let's come to this our game, Conference League game. This game, for me, I'm not underrating it. This is UEFA Conference League semi-final. Yes, we know it is Conference League, but this is semi-final. Where we reach, we must conclude. Where we reach, we must win the Conference League. If maybe we were booted out during the group stage, I will understand, or even maybe round of 16. But from playoff, group stage, round of 16, quarter-final to semi-final, and they boot you out. Conference League, Chelsea. In fact, our player is more than one of our players' market value is more than the whole Conference League. And semi-final, they booted us out. Sweden club, Djurgarden, booting Manchester out. No, it can't happen. So we can't underrate this game. We can't say it is Conference League. We must come out all out. I'm telling you, because they are coming out. See, they are not going to respect us. I'm telling you. See, they are not going to respect Chelsea. The last game, our quarter-final Stamford Bridge, we saw what happened. We only qualify on aggregate. We didn't win the second leg. So this game, or it was a warning for us. Yes. So this game, we must respect it. Come all out. The players and Enzo Maresca, they must respect this game. They will not respect us. They will come out to play. They will come out to beat Chelsea. That is their home. Everything is in favor of them. And information said that it is artificial pitch. Yes, AstroTurf. So our players even started complaining. And yes, it will make a difference for that one for sure. We will see difference. But it's not a conclusion that Chelsea must lose this game. No. Or it's not an excuse. Yes, no. As I said, one of our players' market value is bigger than Djurgarden team. I respect to them. Yes, Sweden team. Yes. So it's never totally an excuse that Chelsea should go and lose because we are playing on an artificial pitch. No. So this game, if we can beat them away, they are home, and then bring them to Stamford Bridge. Yes, it's not even a guarantee. We saw it the last quarter final. We brought them to Stamford, we could not beat them. By the way, for me, I believe that where we reach, the players will respect it more. Enzo Maresca will respect this Conference League more. So if we can beat them at least 3-0, at least 3 or 2-0, yes, if we can beat them in their home, guys, we have the upper hand. I'm telling you, to then bring them to Stamford Bridge in the second leg and finish them. Yes. And another reason why I want Chelsea to win this game, you know, Sunday we are playing Liverpool. Final game, important game. Our journey to top 4. So let's win this game and keep that winning mentality and keep that winning momentum to Sunday, 2 weekends. So the last 2 games we won. Everton, Fulham, we won. So we have to win this game also to continue the belief, to continue the hope. Yes. So guys, this game, we can't underrate it. It is important for us in all angles. All angles. Our winning mentality, Chelsea winning the Conference League. I'm telling you. And if Chelsea win this conference, we're going to set a record. The first club to win all the European trophies. Yes. Champions League, Europa League, and UEFA Conference League. So must win. And as I said, where we reach, we must win this cup. Semi-final. I'm not saying Chelsea. If Chelsea booted out, semi-final, and at the end of the day, Chelsea don't even get top 4, Enzo Maresca, I don't think we can work with him. I don't think we can work with Enzo Maresca. At the end of the day, if Chelsea doesn't get Conference League, and Chelsea doesn't get top 4, Charlie, I will say good luck to Enzo Maresca. We have to go and bring experienced manager. But I'm not praying for that. But that is football. Football is football, and I'm not hoping for that. But just in case, Enzo Maresca, bye you. I'm telling you. So guys, for me, this is my analysis on this game. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about this game, and your score prediction. My score prediction, I will say Chelsea 3 or Djurgarden 1, Chelsea 3. Djurgarden 1, Chelsea 3. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Yes, your opinion about this game and your score prediction about this game. And here's our new sponsorship video. Yes, I explain it better there. Yes, Denmark. So please click to enjoy them. Take care. Peace.